Hey guys, here's part 4 of solving your Rubik's Cube Revenge. By now you should have solved the centers on all sides, the double edges, and then solved it like a normal Rubik's Cube. But sometimes you'll have cases like this that are called parity errors, and there are 5 of them. We'll call this number 1, and each of them take super long algorithms to fix. But what you want to do is you want to hold these two in the front face, and the algorithm is 2U star, 2L star, 2U, 2 little l, 2U, 2L star, 2U star, F prime, U prime, F, U, F, R prime, if I can, 2, F, U, F, U, I just said F, U, F prime, U prime, F, R. And that will solve the first case. Here we have parity case 2. It might look a little similar to the first case, but instead of being 2 adjacent corners, it's 2 diagonal corners. This corner needs to be switched with this corner. So what you do, you hold one of them in your right and do this algorithm. 2U star, 2L star, 2U, 2 little l, 2U, 2L star, 2U star, R, U prime, L2, U, R prime, U, R, L prime, U prime, L, 2U, R prime, U, L prime, U. And now you should be able to solve it as a 3x3, so let's do a little magic. And there you go. Here's parity case number 3, when we have this that needs to be switched around. So you hold it in the front, and the algorithm for that is 2R star, 2B, 2U, L star, 2U, R prime star, 2U, R star, 2U, 2F, R star, 2F, L prime star, 2B, 2R star. And from there, you should be able to solve it as a 3x3, so let's do some more magic. And there we go. That solves parity case number 3. Here's parity case number 4, when this wedge needs to be switched with this wedge. You hold one of them in the front, and this one's a pretty easy algorithm to memorize. It is 2 little r, 2U, 2 little r, 2U star, 2 little r, 2 little u. And that will solve the 4th parity case. And here we have the 5th and final parity case, when all of these wedges need to be switched with their opposite colors. And here we use the same algorithm as parity case number 4, and we'll see what that does. You can hold any one in the front or whatever. So it's 2 little r, 2U, 2 little r, 2U star, 2 little r, 2 little u. And what that does is that gives us parity case number 4. So you just do that algorithm again and you'll solve it. 2 little r, oh whoops, 2u, 2 little r, 2u star, 2 little r, 2 little u. And there you have it. That will solve your 4x4 Rubik's Cube. It's not over yet though. Get one of these. Coming up next.